Dubai is at it again. The city known for pushing the limits is now taking things to an entirely new level, with some insane mega projects that you kind of have to see to believe. I'm talking about a floating research hub, plenty of new super tall skyscrapers, a 100-meter tall wellness resort with waterfalls cascading between its terraces, and towers designed to actually capture sandstorms. Some of these mega projects are just concepts, but some are already under construction. And today, we're exploring the $100 billion mega projects reshaping Dubai's future. Starting with the Loop. At the moment, pretty much everyone in Dubai travels by car, but that could soon change, thanks to this climate-controlled cycling network, a 93-kilometer loop that will circle the entire city, a fully enclosed, air-conditioned highway connecting over 3 million residents to services and locations across the city. The idea is that you'll be able to cycle to work even when it's 45 degrees Celsius outside, without breaking a sweat. And apparently, the cycling highway will be powered by renewable energy, generated from kinetic power as cyclists move through it. And it's supposed to use 100% recycled water for the vertical farms and greenery lining its path. The layout has made cars pretty much essential for daily life. Creating a shift to bikes requires completely rethinking how people move throughout the city. And that's why the Loop is just one part of a much larger vision. The Dubai Cycle City 2040 Master Plan aims to create over 1,000 kilometers of cycling infrastructure throughout the entire city. There will be cycling bridges, dedicated lanes, and support facilities, all designed to make cycling the primary mode of transportation for 80% of Dubai residents by 2040. URB, the company behind the project, is basically looking to surpass Amsterdam and Copenhagen as the world's most bike-friendly city. Construction dates haven't been announced yet, but if successful, this project would be a complete reversal of Dubai's car-focused identity. And speaking of transformations, this is the Oasis in the Sky, or Therm Dubai, to give it the full name. It's a vertical wellness resort that'll allow you to escape the heat by heading 100 meters straight up. Architecture firm Diller, Scofidio, and Renfro has designed what looks like a stack of floating botanical islands coming out of a lake in Jebel Park. Each rounded platform flows into the one below, creating a tower of pools, greenery, and waterfalls. Inside, you'll find thermal pools, both indoors and outdoors, along with saunas, steam rooms, and mineral baths. The developers are pitching it as a sustainable paradise, claiming that 90% of the water will be recycled. But in a city that already consumes its fair share of resources, it's worth questioning how green a massive artificial oasis in the desert can truly be. Construction is supposed to begin in 2026, with completion by 2028, but that seems pretty ambitious for a structure this complex. From buildings connected by swimming pools to towers inspired by luxury watches and cars. And we'll look at those in just a second. Foster & Partners has designed a pair of 180-meter towers with a swimming pool that bridges between them at the penthouse level. We'll have 60 apartments, with each residence occupying a whole floor. Every unit will have a private pool on an outdoor terrace, staggered to make it look like water is cascading down the buildings. And construction is expected to begin soon, which is perhaps the most unique of these buildings. This 380-meter skyscraper is just 22.5 meters wide, making it unusually narrow for a building of this height. In fact, it would become one of the thinnest skyscrapers in the world based on its slenderness ratio. The Steinway Tower in New York is the current record holder at 18 meters wide. The tower will have 131 apartments that all span the entire width of the building, giving residents views in both directions. Arnitas Tower. Because the world's tallest residential clock tower is coming to Dubai Marina, and it'll be 450 meters high. That's more than 4 times as tall as London's iconic landmark. While a lot of the details remain under wraps, the project is part of a growing trend of luxury brands jumping into Dubai real estate. Jacob & Co. Residences. Construction is underway on this one too, and it's aiming to become the world's tallest residential building, surpassing New York's Central Park Tower. At a planned height of 557 meters, the Burj Bengadi Jacob & Co. residences will rise 104 floors above Business Bay. The most impressive feature will be this crown of diamond-shaped spires. Benz Places. Car manufacturer Mercedes-Benz has partnered with local developer Bengadi to create a 341-meter-tall residential tower in downtown Dubai. Beautiful spaces, or something like that, at least. Apparently, nothing says sensual purity quite like stamping a car logo on a luxury apartment building and charging premium prices for it. The development draws inspiration from the luxury brand's hypercar designs, with aerodynamic contours and sleek lines throughout the building. The project includes 171 Riviera mansions named after iconic destinations like Cannes and Monaco, plus 11 limited edition Sky Mansion penthouses. But the craziest thing is the car elevator you'll find in the garage with direct access to the penthouse. Yeah, you'll literally be able to drive your Bugatti into your living room. You might like Al Habtoor Tower. This residential skyscraper is in the heart of Al Habtoor City, directly off the Sheikh Zayed Road. Again, specific design details are limited with this one, but the location will give you immediate access to the canal side promenade, known for its entertainment and dining venues.